First, I'm going to use the Real Techniques Prep and Prime set. So it has for moisturizer to prime, no, moisturizer or primer, dry brush exfoliate, under eye cream, and lip scrub. So this is the set. It's pretty cool. So brush, prep brush. Let's see, let's open it up. So excited. How the heck do you open this? I thought it was a lot easier. Okay, so this one is the Prep Brush. Prep Brush. Prep Brush densely packed firm bristles for mess-free application of moisturizers, serums, primers, or mask. Ooh, perfect. Now I'm going to be using that with my favorite morning moisturizer. The Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. It's this one right here. Then I'm gonna get some oh yeah, it feels a lot better than my fingers. I like it. Ooh, feels nice. Nice and moisturizing. Right, next brush. It's this one right here. Whoa, it has like little bumps on there. This is the facial cleansing brush. This is the facial cleansing brush. Can you guys see? Wait, let me. Can you guys see those bumps? This is dry facial brush. Use this textured brush dry to gently exfoliate for healthy looking skin. Ooh. We'll use that later. And the next is the Under Eye Reviver. Dang, this one's heavy. It is the Under Eye Reviver. Under Eye Reviver is stationary stainless steel ball for cooling under the eye massage. It says tip. Use with favorite under eye cream. And my favorite under eye cream is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. It's this one. try some on, and then oh yeah, better than the fingers. Now next is lip exfoliating brush. Here is a tiny lip exfoliating brush. Super tiny. It says use in circular motions with your favorite lip balm or lip scrub to gently exfoliate and smooth your lips. Okay, for my lip exfoliating, I'm gonna do the pure. I got it in a BoxyCharm one time. It's this one right here, and then you push up. When my lips are nice and smooth, I'm gonna be using Best Damn Beauty Lip Mask. Oh, I'm almost out. Alright, my skin feels nice and refreshing, ready for my makeup. Clean the brush. Thumbs up on this prep. And oh, let's see. Start doing makeup. Okay, I'm gonna take out this Miracle Face Body Sponge. This thing is huge. Look at that. So this is before it gets wet. Body sponge, contour, tan, or bronzer. Miracle Face and Body Sponge. This one is designed to fit your body curves and contours. Replace every 1 to 3 months, latex free. The sponge can be used for streak-free application of self-tanning lotions, bronzers, and body makeup. The larger size is designed to cover the curves of your body. Use the flat edge for contouring and highlighting, and the tip for precision application. Use dry for a fuller coverage or damp for a sheer dewy glow. I've never actually used a beauty sponge dry. Use damp or dry. That's pretty good to know. I'm gonna use that one. And then next I got the setting brush. So this is the setting brush right here. This is the setting brush. This one's added a perfectly controlled dusting of product, ideal for setting powders or highlighting powders and creams. Cute, I love the pink. Next is this powder brush. Cute, love the color, nice and fluffy. So this one is great. Get idle dusting of makeup, idle for powder and mineral foundations. So cute. I'm gonna try these out from today's makeup look. Okay, for today's eyes, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Haven't touched this one in a while. Just wanted to do a natural look. Excuse my voice if it sounds raspy. I'm not sure if I'm getting sick. Hope I'm not getting sick. I think I haven't even taken off the plastic thing. orange soda. Just to do my whole transition shade. My whole crease. Next, I'm gonna be going with burnt. Okay, so first, orange soda. Then I'm gonna be doing burnt orange to crease, to darken that crease a little more, just to deepen the crease a little more. Did I already say that? Probably. First brush and just blending it out with no extra product or additional product. Alright, next I'm gonna go with Sienna. Is it Sienna? So right here. That one mainly for the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to do a shade right here. And I'm going to be doing that for my lids. Let's see how this looks. Just want a little simple, just a simple matte look. I haven't done a matte in a while. Ooh. Alright, let me dust off this. Alright, for mascara, I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. They always compare this one to Too Faced Better Than Sex one. And I am loving this one. So I'm not wearing lashes today. This is perfect. See? Whoa. Big difference. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna use the same shades as I was using. First I'm gonna go darker shade, Sienna. and blush. I'm going to use a Profusion Eye and Cheek palette. And it looks like this. I'm going to be using... Actually, I'm just going to do blush. I'm going to do bronzer. I'm going to do Love Blush and Breathtaking Blush. It's these two right here. First is Lush Blush. Did I say love? I meant Lush Blush. Enough for highlight. I'm going to be using Real Techniques, a setting brush. They said that I can use it to highlight as well. So let's see which one should we use. I'm going to be going with the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter in Golden Sands. It looks like this. It's all jacked up. I'm just going to use a powder. Face is done. Let's put mascara on the lower lash line. So this is the completed look. Love the way it turned out. Natural, not fully glam. Thank you so much, Real Techniques, for sending me these fabulous brushes. Let me hold them up. Let me hold this baby, it's huge. Thank you, Real Techniques, for sending me these gorgeous brushes, for trying them out. I love them. I mean, I love them. This isn't, these, the prep and set are gonna change my life. I'm gonna be using them every day, prepping my face for my skincare stuff. I'm so grateful for my products that you guys sent me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.